slides around because the carpet's not here. It looks like he's ice skating.
A tag, circle, another tag, and a star. So there's different shapes. So we get 6 bags of these. This is a lot. And then we have 5 bags of charms, so that you can turn your cream charms into
He's so funny.
charms. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of tiny charms that we get from bear. I think that's an octopus. Yeah, that's an octopus. We have the word sweet. This one seems to have milk. Also the word sweet seems probably the same thing. Octopus and bear. And
Okay, I'm just showing your hands right now.
Okay.
So Audrey's gonna open her souvenir pack.
Let's see. Oh, it's nice and wrapped.
Ooh. Ooh.
I got Grimace.
Okay, did you want that purple one?
Yeah, his name's Grimace.
Oh, save that tissue.
Oh, it's a game, I think. Let's
Okay,
see.
so hold on. You're gonna show each piece, right?
Yeah. Oh. Let's see. So. Oh. Okay. I think that's just like to mail stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
the postcards.
Yeah.
Can we see the front of them? Ooh, let's
This
show.
is greetings from Grimace Island
Ooh, nice.
and McDonaldland.
Nice.
And then we have some stickers. Friend of Grimace.
Okay, hold on, because I'm trying to zoom in. So, oh, that's nice.
And then we have going to Grimace Island.
Ooh.
Let's see. McDonaldland. It says, thanks for traveling to McDonaldland.
Nice.
And it's just like scan now to discover more in McDonaldland. Just for some more information. I think this is one of the like Grimace, the second version of Grimace Shake. I'm not sure. This is Grimace, and it says it's a sticker. It says most likely to throw a lit party,
Ooh.
a lit birthday party. And lastly, we have McDonaldland passport, and it belongs to Grimace.
Oh.
And something that me and Grimace have.
One more time. Let me see the front of that. I zoomed in. Oh, nice.
Something that me and Grimace have in common is that I'm Gemini, and it says he's Gemini.
Oh,
too.
wow.
So, he was issued in 1971. I was born in 1971. Yeah.
Awesome. Are you happy? What are you gonna do with yours?
I'm not sure yet. I've been collecting stickers and putting it on my my school binder. So I might use the stickers for that. For most likely I'll probably use them for journaling.
Awesome. Okay.
Your turn.
Okay. So I'm gonna need help.
Here, I'll do it for you.
Maybe I could do that.
So today we're opening our second McDonald's souvenir pack.
Because I got one and you got one.
Do you want me?
I like the box. I'm gonna cut my box up. Do you
want help?
Did you save your box? Save your box, okay? Because you could cut this. This could be a journal. Look at that. Oh, we can make you a journal. You could. Love it.
We're definitely gonna save the paper.
Yeah, I'm saving the paper.
She got Grimace as well.
Oh, I did too. All right.
I wonder if there's different things.
I don't know. So I got thanks for traveling to McDonaldland. And I got my little thing here. And it says scan now to discover more in McDonaldland. So we'll do that and scan it. later. Huh?
Mhm.
I got some stickers and I'll put our pictures. I'm gonna journal. Friend of Grimace.
Mhm.
I am and you are, right?
Mhm.
We didn't get the blue one. Audrey and I both wanted chocolate shakes.
Yeah.
What do you think the blue one tasted like, Audrey?
Probably cotton candy, maybe.
Yeah, and that's not my fave.
Yeah, me neither.
Most likely to throw a little birthday party.
A lit birthday party.
Did you get this one too?
Yeah.
I don't remember you showing that one. And then this is a sticker too, the
Yeah.
passport, huh?
Mhm.
Favorite color is purple. Wow. And some wonderful postcards. And these are real postcards, you guys. We could really mail these. These are cool. And so this is what Audrey and I did. We're having girls' night tonight.
Mhm.
And we're going to do a facial.
Mhm. I have skincare we can use.
Okay.
I brought my skincare so we could do a little.
Ooh, nice. And then we went and got our Happy Meal. Guys, I want to just tell you, they're a little pricey. Here in Arizona, we paid
$18 for each.
for each, yeah.
Which is a little pricey.
Yeah.
But it's worth it. Trust
We don't
me.
do this all the time.
No, we do not do this often.
No.
I haven't had McDonald's and
Because I boycotted it a long time
Yeah.
ago. Yeah.
so.
But we had to get our souvenir pack, and we're
Yeah.
gonna try to collect them all.
Yeah, we went to McDonald's specifically for the minis, but we ended up not being able to get them because we realized that by the time we had gone, that they didn't have it anymore.
Yeah.
But that's okay. We'll get it next time.
Yep. We're gonna make 2 journals with this.
Yeah. Anyways,
All right. We'll chat at you later.
bye.
Bye.
I keep it empty and then I use it and put my skincare and essentials and stuff in here when I travel and go places. So in the main compartment I have the bigger stuff. I have this it's a glow up toner. It's a dupe of glow recipe.
What's a dupe?
It's like a dupe is where, for instance, if do you know Touchland, the hand sanitizer?
Yeah.
Well, a dupe is if someone recreates that, but it's not Touchland.
And it's cheaper?
Yeah, way cheaper. So that's from Dollar Tree, and Glow Recipe's like $100 for something
wow.
this size. Yeah. I have this. I use every time I get out of the shower. It's a smooth, weightless leave-in conditioner. I have Brazilian bum cream.
No.
I have In the Stars, which I showed my Nani, and she absolutely loved it.
I do. I love it. It
Oh,
smells.
did he push his food under?
No. He's trying to eat it.
Oh, it's over there?
Mm-hmm.
No, he's eating
Tuck, what are you doing?
So, I have 3 bubble products, and I have some more at home. But I'm currently staying the night at my Nani's, which is the camera girl. And so, yeah. I have my Bubble Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer.
Nice.
Love this stuff. It's a lifesaver.
Is that a dupe?
No. That's Bubble the brand. This whole set was $35.
What?
And my friend got it for me for my birthday.
Wow. That was a nice birthday present, wasn't it?
Yeah, this was these 3 were in a set. Well, no, actually so there's a cleanser that came in the set, but this isn't the one. That one I left at home. They're different. This one is a Fresh Start Gel Cleanser by Bubble. And this is the Bubble Water Slide Hydration Boosting Serum. Love that too. This goes with my hair care. This I also use sometimes, but my hair's always greasy, so I don't really need it.
Your hair's way greasy?
It's always greasy. So I recently just found out a trick from my friend not to put conditioner on your scalp.
What? Oh, just on your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, and what does that do?
That's what was making my hair greasy.
Oh, really?
So I tried it, and my hair wasn't greasy. And then I made the big mistake this morning when I took a shower, and I accidentally put conditioner on my scalp.
Oh, no.
After a week.
Oh.
And, yeah. So that was a disaster. Now I'm going to have to redo the whole thing.
Oh,
but yeah. Anyways, that's why my hair's so dark. Yeah. It's supposed to be dirty blonde, and right now it's dark brown. So
I think it looks kind of blondish.
Blondish. This is my hair serum. Again, don't use that very often. So yeah. Obviously, I need a brush. That's essential. Cause yeah, just cause. And this is my travel set. This is actually probably going to stay here because I have one at home that I've been currently using. This is from my dentist. Shout out to Innovation. And they also gave me this toothpaste, which came in handy.
Right.
Deodorant. I love moisturizer and skincare. So I have a collection. Yeah, so I have 5 moisturizers in my collection. 2 toners. 2 serums, and yeah.
How did you get interested in like skincare?
So once upon a time, in the beginning of 4th grade, I started watching TikTok more, and that's what made me be interested in skincare. And then I tried it, and it helped, so I love it. So this is my Dupe of Glow recipe. Again, this comes in a set. This is my Dupe Night Moisturizer.
Why do you say Dupe?
Because that's what it is. And then I also have this for tomorrow morning. It's CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion with SPF 50. Love this because it's thick. I like thick moisturizers. And I forgot to bring one of my moisturizers that I love. It's my Bioma moisturizer. I forgot the name of it, but it's the one with the purple container. I left all of my Biomas at home because my friend chose my whole skincare stuff that I'm bringing here. I called her. And so yeah, so all of my Biomas are there, which includes my Bioma serum, my Bioma oil cleanser, and my Bioma moisturizer. Those are not dupes. Those are name brand. And I do organize my skincare when it comes to brands and size. So these, this one goes separate because I have the other one which is new. So I put them together in my little organizer container. And I put the larger stuff like this stuff, that, and stuff like that. And I have some more stuff that goes on the side along with hair stuff.
Hey, Audrey, so most of the people that watch me on my channel are like, I mean, they're all moms. Some of them are even grandmas. They're like older ladies like me. So what would you give them? What kind of advice would you give them, like if they were going to start taking care? Do you think it's like there's a certain point where women should like just forget about their face, or do you think that's something that everybody should do?
I think that's something everybody should do.
Yeah.
I think it helps. Because most people's faces and bodies are ashy and are very dry. So that's what moisturizer helps with. And for those, since I know the people who watch your videos tend to mostly have kids or grandkids or something like that, I would, if they're starting to be interested in skincare, then I would recommend that if their like granddaughter or the grandma, the mom doesn't want to spend so much money on name brand stuff, then to get dupes, which are like 10 times less money.
And where would they find that?
There's Five Below, which has a lot of stuff. They have Touchland dupes. They have a lot of other stuff that's not really related to your face, but are very good brands. Like dupes of very good brands, like Touchland, Summer Fridays, Laneige, a bunch of that stuff, Rare Beauty, stuff like that. And Dollar Tree tends to have some things like this serum, which isn't a dupe, but I love it. It's very helpful.
What's that called?
It's a rose-infused serum.
Okay.
This toner, I have this. I have a moisturizer, a cleanser, and something else that's from Dollar Tree. All those 3 things, you know. Price doesn't always mean bad things. Things can be very cheap and be very good, or they could be very expensive and not be good.
Oh wow, that's
because these were $1.25 and they're really good.
Mm-hmm.
And most people wouldn't buy them because they think that it'll make them break out, but it really doesn't. It helps, and yeah.
Well, that's good. That's good advice. Thank you. I'm sure they're gonna appreciate that.
Yeah. So that's all the stuff I have, but we'll talk to you. Oh, you got us face masks.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna do those.
Yeah, if you're interested in Nani, you can use any of my skincare.
Oh, okay.
Any of it. And I would recommend, because I love my stuff and I think that it's very helpful and I love my skincare and stuff, and I'm very happy I got involved with this type of stuff. I don't know what I'd be if I didn't.
Do you wear do you suggest people wearing sunblock when they go out in the sun?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
So I think that if you continue this habit of skincare, you're going to have really healthy skin, and as you age, you're probably not going to age as rapidly as if you didn't use any skincare. What do you think?
I think that if I do keep doing this, even if I'm old, I'll have stuff. I like using this. This is like something an old granny would have. But I like using it. It's a rose perfume oil, but it's not very concentrated. So it doesn't have...
Didn't you get that from me?
Yeah. It's not very strong,
right.
So it helps me fall asleep.
Oh.
So I like using it on my wrists, my neck, and sometimes well, never mind.
About that caboodle, that's kind of retro, old-fashioned, isn't it?
Yeah, my mom found it. I do not recall where, but last year in 4th grade, on the last day of school, my teacher was giving out stickers. So I have some of those stickers here. I have a Nutella one. I have chicken nuggets, Hogwarts. I have pizza, cookies, and obviously this isn't a sticker. It's just a Caboodle logo. But I could also put some of those Grimace stickers on here, but it depends on, well, it just depends. I don't know.
Depends if you feel like it.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you. Is there anything lastly you want to say?
Nope.
All right.